Hello, folks, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for clicking. Don't forget, do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up for the like. Today, we're going to talk about time signatures in Cubase. Hi, folks, welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about time signatures in Cubase. In Western music, the most common time signature is 4/4 beat, which means there's 4 beats to every bar. You'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. But in Cubase, we can change this and we can start the song off in a 5 beat and then go to a 4 beat and then go to a 7 beat to make your song more interesting. Most songs that we hear on the radio will be in 4/4 beat. So R&B, dance music, folk music, pop music, they'll all be in 4 beats. And I'm going to show you how to change it very easy in Cubase. But before I do, to help me grow the channel, please click that subscribe button. The time signature in Cubase can be found down here in the lower zone. As you can see, when you turn on Cubase, it's always set to 4/4 beat, and it's down here beside the tempo. So in a 4/4 beat, if I have a bar here highlighted from 1 to 2, you will see there's 4 beats in every bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I change this, I can change it down here to a 5/4 beat. It's now changed. In one bar, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beats in every bar. And this will carry on right through the whole track. But what if you want to change that and you want the start of your song to be in 5/4 with 5 beats, and then when you go to the chorus, you wanted to change into a 4 beat, and then maybe in the bridge you want to change it to a 3 beat to get creative. What we need to do is to set up a time signature in Cubase. If you go onto the left hand zone and right click on the mouse and go down, you will see add signature track. We click on this and this will appear. This is our signature track. As you can see, we're in 5/4 beat. So up here, it'll have 5/4. As we go along this line, if we take our draw pencil, I just scroll back out a little bit. If we go back, if we want to go up to say the 6 bar and we want to add in a change, I'll just move this one over to 6. And we want to change this, we'll change it to a 4/4. And then we want to go on further. When we get to bar 10, we're going to change it again. And this time we're going to change it to a 3/4 beat. Now our track is set up to start in 5/4 and it'll go to 4/4 and then to 3/4. If I mute them, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put in a drum track so you can hear it. I'm going to add in a drum part here. I'm just going to draw it in. Before I do that, I'm just going to show you where we have the changes. You can go in here to use as a visual. I'm just going to change the color. I'll change that one to red. You can change the color of these. Makes it easier to see where the changes are. So we're going to start off in the 5/4 beat. We're going to go to a 4/4 beat and then a 4/3 beat. And as I go in here, if I click in here and open up this bottom window, you will see that our beats have changed. The first 6 beats are in 5 beat, and then we change to a 4 beat. And then in the last beat, we'll change to a 3 beats. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a bass drum and a snare just on every beat. What I've done now here is I've just put in a kick drum. I just put it in on the first 6 bars of 5/4 beats. So I just put it on the first beat of every one up until I get to the sixth. And after the sixth bar, as you see, it changes to 1, 2, 3, 4. And I put one on the first beat of every 4 bar. And when we get down to bar 10, it'll change. And I just to 3 bars, and I just have a kick on the first of each one of them. I also put on a snare, and I put the snare directly in the middle of the two bass beats all the way down, and the same on the 4 and the same on the 3, right in the middle. But I put a 16 beat on the hi-hat all the way through the track, and then you should be able to hear when I play the track. So you can come up with some great ideas when you're working this way. Now I have just here, I just have a bass track, and I just bring it down. I'm just going to turn them on, let you listen to them, just to hear what it sounds like. So by doing this, you can get very creative in Cubase, and it's very easy to do, and that's time signature, and that's how you use it. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to click and like and subscribe so I can make future videos. Talk to you soon.